Ever wonder how McDonald's manages to serve up millions, yes, millions of perfectly crispy, golden French fries every single day across the globe? They're so consistent. I'm starting to think these fries have a secret workout routine that keeps them in better shape than I am. Stick around, because we're about to pull back the curtain on the jaw-dropping high-tech journey these fries take before they ever hit your tray. In this video, we'll reveal the hidden world of massive farming operations, cutting-edge peeling and slicing machines, and super-fast freezing tunnels that all work together to make those iconic fries taste exactly the same, no matter if you're grabbing a quick bite in Tokyo, Paris, or your hometown. For instance, consider that a single production line in a state-of-the-art facility can handle thousands of pounds of potatoes per hour, all while maintaining precision and quality. Keep watching until the end, because by then, you won't just have a cool story to tell your friends, you'll actually gain a deeper understanding of where your food comes from, why these fries have that signature crunch, and how every detail, down to the type of potato used, ensures that addictive flavor you know and love. You might even find yourself appreciating your next meal in a whole new way. Plus, we'll also introduce you to some behind-the-scenes food processing secrets that go way beyond fries. Before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on more insider looks at the incredible world of food production and culinary innovation. Let's jump right in. Picture yourself sharing these insights at a dinner party, the kind of fun fact that makes everyone at the table perk up with interest. Now that you're primed and ready for this behind-the-scenes adventure, let's officially begin our deep dive into the vast world of modern food processing, starting with the journey from farm to factory. Imagine tracing the path of a single potato as it travels hundreds of miles and passes through multiple quality checks, eventually ending up in your local McDonald's fryer. Think about those endless rows of potato plants gently swaying under the sun, each destined to become the fries you've known since childhood. Meanwhile, behind the scenes, quality control teams and agricultural scientists work hand in hand to ensure each harvest hits the mark. Whether you're pulling a bag of frozen fries from your freezer at home or cracking open a container of ready-to-use onion slices at your favorite burger joint, remember, there's a finely tuned system humming along in the background. It's a blend of human craftsmanship, mechanical precision, and a healthy dose of scientific know-how. For example, test plots might be maintained by specialized agronomists who measure soil acidity, test irrigation levels, and even analyze leaf tissue samples to ensure optimal growth conditions. It all begins with carefully chosen potato varieties. For McDonald's iconic fries, one standout is the Russet Burbank, celebrated for its ability to produce long, uniform, and reliably crisp fries at scale. If you've ever wondered why those fries have that particular shape and length, it's no accident. They're bred and selected for it. In the United States, one of the world's largest potato producers, ideal growing conditions, including well-drained soil, moderate climates, and stable irrigation systems, foster the consistent quality these potatoes need. Believe it or not, there's a whole science behind choosing the right potato for the job. Starch content, moisture levels, and internal density all play a role in ensuring that signature McDonald's fry texture. For example, a batch of potatoes may be tested for their dry matter percentage, ensuring that when cooked, they deliver that fluffy interior without becoming soggy. Growers routinely send samples to labs for precise chemical analyses. Mechanical harvesters, which can span several meters in width and cost hundreds of thousands of dollars, roam vast fields, lifting potatoes from the soil and passing them through built-in cleaning systems that remove dirt and debris right on the spot. Within weeks, sometimes just days of harvest, these potatoes head to high-capacity processing plants. This short turnaround time ensures freshness, which translates to a better taste on your plate. For example, in Idaho's legendary Potato Belt, farmers work closely with buyers, like McDonald's suppliers, to maintain strict standards. If a crop doesn't meet the right specs, it never makes it to your local McDonald's. The goal is clear. Ensure that whether you're biting into a fry at a drive-thru in Los Angeles or a McDonald's in London, the flavor and crunch are spot on. Picture a farmer leveraging advanced GPS-guided tractors to ensure perfectly spaced rows, optimizing yields that meet these stringent requirements. In the factory, recently dug potatoes are kept in climate-controlled storage rooms designed to ensure a continuous supply. Since McDonald's and countless other fast food chains serve a monumental number of fries every day, these facilities operate at a near constant pace. Some mega factories churn out millions of pounds of fries daily, running almost 24/7 to meet global demand. There's virtually no downtime. The process is streamlined so that every potato is on a fast track from field to fryer, ensuring the product remains fresh and top-notch. Picture operators watching digital monitors that track temperature and humidity, making minor adjustments to keep the potatoes in an ideal state. If the humidity is off by even a few percentage points, the potatoes might not store as well, which could affect their eventual texture. Imagine walking into a storage area where rows of stacked crates tower overhead, each holding thousands of uniformly sized potatoes. Automated systems continuously monitor temperature, humidity, and airflow, keeping the spuds in perfect condition. The second a batch is needed for processing, conveyor belts carry them off to the washing station, ensuring a just-in-time supply chain that keeps everything moving smoothly. In some facilities, robots equipped with computer vision systems analyze the outer skin of each potato, identifying any imperfections and sorting them accordingly. At the washing station, potatoes tumble through water-filled containers. Gentle agitation and flowing water remove any lingering soil. Then, a series of conveyor belts and portion control elevators regulate the flow of these now spotless potatoes into high-tech peeling chambers. Peeling systems, often using abrasive rollers or blasts of steam, strip away just the thin outer layer of skin. This minimal waste approach is not only efficient, but also more environmentally friendly, a big deal when you're dealing with such massive volumes. Experienced engineers and technicians regularly fine-tune the machines to ensure that only the thinnest peel is removed, keeping most of the potato intact and reducing food waste. In some facilities, the discarded peels aren't just thrown away, they're collected and converted into biofuel or animal feed, illustrating how this industry strives for sustainability. After peeling, the potatoes get one more rinse, often with a carefully measured mix of safe food-grade solutions, before they head to the cutting stage. Here's where the real magic happens. Cutting chambers equipped with high-pressure water jets slice the potatoes into those perfect, uniform strips we all know and love. This precision is key because McDonald's demands consistency. Every fry should cook at the same rate, ensuring that iconic crispy exterior and fluffy interior. These cutting systems can handle thousands of potatoes an hour, and they're adjusted down to millimeters. Think about that the next time you're munching on a fry. Somewhere, a water jet is cutting a potato into identical sticks at astonishing speed. As a practical example, a single industrial water jet could slice hundreds of pounds of potatoes per minute, and technicians routinely measure the fry lengths to confirm uniformity, discarding any outliers. Once cut, the potato strips may receive a subtle treatment of sugar for even browning and sodium acid pyrophosphate to preserve their natural color. Don't worry, these additives are carefully tested and approved for food safety, and they're part of the secret formula that keeps fries looking and tasting their best. Without them, fries might turn grayish or cook unevenly. With them, you get that consistently warm, golden hue that defines McDonald's fries worldwide. This level of detail might seem extreme, but it's crucial when you're serving millions of customers daily who expect the same experience, whether they're in New York, Sydney, or Dubai. In practice, this means that scientists have run countless lab tests comparing fry batches with different treatments. They've perfected the formula so thoroughly that you likely never even notice the additives, just the perfect taste. Next, the fries take a quick dip in hot water, a controlled par cooking step that partially cooks their insides. This sets the stage for the perfect final bite, crisp on the outside, tender on the inside. Removing excess starch and moisture now ensures a better texture later on. High-tech timers and sensors guarantee that no batch spends too long in this stage, preserving uniformity from start to finish. Imagine a control panel that alerts technicians if a batch even slightly deviates from the ideal cooking time, allowing them to correct the process instantly. Then comes a partial fry in a carefully chosen oil blend, often canola, corn, and soybean oils, free from trans fats and cholesterol. This half-frying step creates a light crust, giving the fries structure and that crave-worthy crunch. After this, the fries spend a little time air drying, which wicks away extra oil and prepares them for a rapid flash freezing process. Specialized freezing tunnels, kept at ultra-low temperatures, lock in the fries' flavor, texture, and nutritional quality. This quick freeze is essential. It stops the cooking process right at the sweet spot and keeps the fries tasting fresh even after weeks in a freezer. For a real-world comparison, imagine the difference between freezing something slowly in your home fridge's freezer versus blasting it quickly in a cryogenic tunnel at an industrial plant. The latter preserves texture and flavor far better. Finally, the frozen fries are packaged and shipped in temperature-controlled trucks. They might travel hundreds or even thousands of miles, crossing oceans and continents to reach McDonald's locations around the globe. When they arrive at your local restaurant, all it takes is a quick second fry to bring them back to life. Hot, crispy, and delicious. The fact that a fry picked in a field in the American Midwest can end up on a tray in Singapore with the exact same taste and texture is nothing short of amazing. In some cases, distribution centers work like hubs, ensuring that any restaurant from a small town in the UK to a bustling city in Brazil receives these standardized fries promptly. But potatoes aren't the only stars of this high-tech food universe. Consider onions. Automated peeling and cutting machines spare kitchens from the time-consuming and eye-watering job of prepping onions by hand. These systems cradle each onion, remove its tough outer layer, and slice it with remarkable precision, ensuring that every onion you order on your burger is chopped just right. Advanced sensors look for defects, ensuring that no flawed onions pass through. For busy restaurants, McDonald's included, this translates to consistent flavor profiles, faster service, and less kitchen prep stress. For example, A single onion processing machine can handle thousands of onions per hour. It can detect subtle blemishes, discarding them automatically so that the final onion slices you get have a clean, uniform look and taste. For fish, specialized portioning systems handle fillets without direct human contact, maintaining strict hygiene standards. Machines pre-programmed with exact measurements ensure every fillet is the perfect size and weight, ideal for standardized menu items. Think about a global fish sandwich. No matter where you buy it, the fillet's thickness and flavor are spot on. The fish processing plants run relentless tests before a machine ever makes it to the factory line, ensuring near zero margin of error. Imagine a series of robotic arms gently lifting each fillet and passing it through laser-based measuring systems. If even a fraction of a millimeter is off, adjustments are made on the spot. This level of control ensures that your fish sandwich in Hong Kong tastes just like the one in Chicago. Apples, too, undergo a fascinating journey. Sorting systems separate flawed fruit from prime specimens, sending only the best apples into processing lines. There, they're peeled and pureed, becoming the smooth, sweet bases for desserts, sauces, and more. Even the leftover peels serve a purpose. They're turned into animal feed, ensuring minimal waste. It's a closed-loop approach that reduces environmental impact. Imagine biting into an apple pie at McDonald's. Some of those apples may have taken this journey, transformed from a freshly picked piece of fruit into a delicious filling that tastes like home, no matter where you are. In certain facilities, optical scanners grade apples by color and shape, assigning them to different quality tiers. The top-tier apples may be sliced and flash frozen for pies, while slightly imperfect ones could be pureed into sauces or fillings. And let's not forget breakfast classics like pancakes. Huge automated lines pour batter into molds and guide them through ovens calibrated to exact temperatures. The result? Stacks of fluffy pancakes, perfectly cooked every time. These get neatly packaged, shipped, and stored until you're ready to enjoy them. This technology ensures that your breakfast is consistently tasty and reliable, whether you're warming them up at home or grabbing a breakfast meal on your commute. In some plants, infrared sensors check each pancake's internal temperature, ensuring it meets the precise criteria for fluffiness and doneness. Even the packaging is carefully chosen to maintain freshness, so your pancakes taste bakery fresh whenever you open the package. From the heartlands of the United States, where potatoes grow in ideal conditions, to high-speed onion peeling machines, precise fish filleting systems, and apple pureeing lines spread across the globe, today's food production is all about synergy. It's an interplay of advanced engineering, careful sourcing, and ironclad quality control. Picture massive control rooms with operators monitoring dozens of screens, ensuring that every stage, harvest, wash, peel, cut, cook, freeze, is going perfectly. In some modern plants, artificial intelligence systems predict machine wear and tear, scheduling maintenance before a breakdown ever occurs. This proactive approach keeps lines running smoothly around the clock. This global network ensures that a McDonald's customer in Rio de Janeiro can experience the same crispy fries as someone in Rome. That's right, these fries have better frequent flyer miles than I do, and they don't even complain about legroom. Laser-guided sorting systems, precision-controlled ovens, and hyper-sterile processing environments all contribute to this symphony of convenience and consistency. If you've ever marveled at the fact that these foods taste pretty much the same everywhere you go. Now you know why. It's thanks to complex logistics, scientific processes, and a whole lot of human dedication. For instance, global suppliers share data in real time, so that if a supply chain hiccup occurs, perhaps a transportation delay, processors can adjust production lines accordingly. This level of coordination ensures that the end consumer notices no difference in taste or availability. As we peek behind the scenes, we gain a deeper appreciation for the engineering feats that make everyday foods so convenient. Whether it's the iconic McDonald's French fry, a vacuum-packed bag of diced onions, a perfectly portioned fish fillet, or a pantry staple like apple puree, these systems ensure consistency, safety, and taste. The next time you dip a fry into ketchup, think about all the steps that brought it to you. From farmhands and agronomists in the fields to engineers fine-tuning cutting blades in mega factories, it's a massive team effort that results in that delicious bite. In some supply chains, a single fry may be tracked through a digital ledger system, allowing a quality assurance manager to trace it back to the exact field where its potato was grown. Consider the teamwork behind it all. Farmers select the perfect seeds and nurture their crops with care. Engineers design machines that can process thousands of fries a minute without a hiccup. Logistics experts coordinate transport so your fries arrive fresh and ready to cook. Food scientists ensure that every additive and process step is safe, effective, and transparent. It's a behind-the-scenes ballet of human skill and cutting-edge tech. For example, nutritionists might evaluate different oil blends, comparing their health profiles and flavor retention, while packaging designers test materials to ensure fries maintain their quality over long journeys. If you found this exploration insightful, consider checking out how other products are made. Every item on your plate, from your morning pancakes to the apple slices in your lunchbox, has a secret story, a tale of innovation, global collaboration, and unyielding attention to detail. By understanding where our meals come from, we start to value the sheer amount of work and creativity involved. So next time you tuck into a McDonald's meal or snack on some ready-to-eat produce, take a moment to appreciate the remarkable journey that brought it to you. And don't forget to subscribe for more behind-the-scenes looks into how the world's favorite foods come to life. Imagine sharing these insights with your family, turning a simple meal into a learning moment that connects the food on your plate to the people and processes that made it possible.